Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to dropship on Shopify from Aliexpress. Dropshipping with Aliexpress is hands down one of the most popular models for e-commerce stores because they have such a massive catalog of affordable products available with wholesale pricing. I'll be covering getting started with the DSers application, connecting our Shopify store and linking the Aliexpress account, configuring the Chrome extension and setting up the importer options so that we can add our first product. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the very first step to getting started is that we obviously need to have a Shopify store already logged in. And if you don't have an account yet, then head over to shopify.com and then click that start free trial button. And at the moment, upon creating an account with Shopify, you'll be granted a 3-day free trial. And then after that, you can continue with any one of these plans right here for only $1 a month on your first month. After that, Shopify will take some time to set up your store and then you will land on the dashboard right here. And from here, you can access a lot of options onto your store. You can see the orders, the products, customers, analytics, and so much more. And this is essentially where we can get started with the DSers application or any application for that matter. So onto the left side, you can see the apps tab and the ads application button. And DSers is an incredibly valuable application because it allows you to simply find anything on AliExpress, import it to your Shopify store with a single click, and then manage placing the orders with suppliers and tracking everything automatically. It is an absolute huge time saver. So go ahead and click the Add Apps button and then search for the DSers application and then install it into your Shopify store. And once the DSers application is installed, you can click on the Shopify button to connect our shop. Now keep in mind that the DSers application has a 14-day free trial in case you wanted to try any one of the paid plans that they offer. However, there is a basic free to install plan. And before we can start importing products from the DSers application, we also need to authorize DSers to access our Aliexpress account. And the easiest move here is to just create a totally separate Aliexpress account specifically for managing our store's dropshipping orders. This helps keep everything clean and organized. So go ahead and click the register button if you don't have an Aliexpress account already, and then allow DSers to link up with it so that all of your store's catalog and order data flows cleanly from there. And the next step would be to configure our Chrome extension. Now that we have the connections set up properly, DSers also offers a Chrome extension that makes grabbing products directly off Aliexpress pages a piece of cake. Go up to the home section and click on the Chrome extension, add the extension to Chrome and make sure to set it as pinned, and then log in with your DSers credentials so that it syncs. And this will inject a little Add to DSers button on Aliexpress listings that instantly imports products to your account. We can test this one out by searching Aliexpress for a product that you might want to sell, and now you should be able to see the button on listings. However, before importing, let's configure a couple key options. So click on the extension icon to access the settings, and then for the shipping methods, leave it on the default all option, but you likely want to change the country setting based on your store's target market. And for example, if my shop focuses on the US based customers, then I would change country to United States and you would select Germany for a German shop, etc. Keep in mind that the currency also will automatically match. And with your importer configured properly, you can start grabbing products using the extension. So go ahead and search Aliexpress categories related to your store's niche until you locate something that you want to sell. And once you've found a winner product that you are ready to import for testing, click the Add to DSers button on the listing. And just like that, with a few clicks, this particular product is now sitting in my DSers import list, ready to be pushed to the store. So let's head back to the dashboard real quick and make sure that everything looks good. Before publishing, it's always smart to open up a product first and do some basic tweaking of what data gets imported. You can do that by clicking on the Edit Product button. And under the variants, you can delete any excess size or style options that are not needed. But for this example product, I'm going to keep everything as is. And once you've validated everything, it's time to push this product onto your live online storefront. So back in the DSers application, open up the action menu for this specific item and then enable it so that it can be published to your online store. And this will not only import everything seamlessly, but also automatically activate the listing so it goes live on your site right away. Head back to your Shopify store and then open products and you should instantly see your brand new imported listings ready to be sold to your customers. And that will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you've enjoyed today's video or found it to be helpful, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.